Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead, and we do have a couple of rain hurdles to get over, but most of the next couple of weeks looking relatively quiet here for our area. Our first hurdle will come with a disturbance that is now off to our west. You can see this particular disturbance here moving through the four corners. This is going to work its way towards the east. It is positively tilted right now, and it looks like it's going to stay that way. So it will provide us with a possibility for some thunderstorms, but with the more widespread severe weather outbreaks, we tend to see these troughs more negatively oriented in terms of their tilt. So again, severe weather possible. This is the latest outlook from the Storm Prediction Center for Saturday and Saturday night. You can see it does look like the severe weather risk may be highest over southwest Arkansas, small part of northeast Texas, and the border sections of north and northwestern Louisiana. Looking at clearly the more widespread and better chances for severe weather up towards Memphis. So we'll have a chance for some thunderstorms that could approach severe limits, and we'll talk about what to expect with those coming up in just a bit. Meantime, tomorrow we will see the clouds increase basically later on tonight. Tomorrow expect some scattered showers with an increasing threat for some thunder late in the day, as most of the thunderstorms will actually occur after sunset tomorrow. And we might see enough sunshine mixed in with the clouds to warm us up into the low 80s across most of the region. 82 tomorrow in Shreveport, 80 in Texarkana, 81 degrees in Marshall, and 79 degrees for the high temperature in Idabel. Of course, that warmth, and notice the lows in the 50s and 60s, kind of humid, and as a result, we will see that threat for the thunderstorms. I'm going to show you a couple things here as far as the timing of the rainfall and the different threats. This is Futurecast, and again, this basically showing us the timing and location of the strongest thunderstorms. Notice the chance for a few scattered showers tonight. As we go through tomorrow, again, increasing chance for the thunder probably very late in the afternoon. And you can see during the evening hours that thunderstorm activity will continue to increase, as the main focus will be between interstates 20 and 30 during the evening hours. Once we get past midnight, we should see the strength of the thunderstorms begin to decrease, as the main focus for the severe weather threat will shift more towards the north and east. Could be left with a few rumbles of thunder over the southern sections of the area early Sunday morning. We'll see kind of a mixture of sunshine and clouds for Sunday, and Futurecast is showing a slight chance for some rain over the south part of the area Sunday, but most other models keeping us pretty much dry. Let's talk about what Futurecast is showing in terms of those threats. Hail will be a possibility, as you can see here. This shows us where that chance may be highest as we head through the evening hours, basically between 6 p.m. and midnight. That's when the chance for the hail will be highest, again, in the areas where we do have that slight risk area. And then you can see once we get past midnight, that threat will begin to decrease. Tornadoes looking unlikely, but we can't totally rule them out. Here's a look at why, as Futurecast and other models do show a little bit of rotation possible, as you can see here. And that, again, basically between 6 and midnight. And then we'll see after midnight that threat kind of go away. Show you a combination of rainfall and potential rotation with the HR model here. And you can see as we head through tonight, that chance for the scattered shower will be on the increase across the area tomorrow. And I do have the radar kind of faded here just because I also have rotation, which you'll see here begin to pop on. Notice not much here with the thunderstorms at 6 p.m. As we work our way through the evening, you can see these areas here, and notice the main concentration, even with this model, to our north and east. So again, a little bit of rotation, some of the storms possible, but it is looking unlikely for our area, and that threat will definitely move out of the region by midnight, and we'll see too the storms gradually shift to the south and east out of the region late Saturday night into Sunday morning. So that's a couple of different models, what they're showing as far as rotation. Again, that tornado threat is looking rather low, and models have backed off a bit on the amount of rain for our area, as it looks like this front will begin to move through instead of kind of stalling as long as the models were indicating last night. Still a possibility in spots we could see a couple of inches of rain, basically between Interstate 30 and Interstate 20, between Texarkana and Shreveport otherwise. But other than that, where the thunderstorms will be less numerous, probably looking at amounts that will be less than a half an inch. Once we get past tomorrow night and head into Sunday, it now appears that the models have kind of switched and come in line with the one outlier that we had yesterday. There is tomorrow's disturbance moving on through. It now looks like the disturbance here Monday will provide a chance for some rain south and east of us. And then here comes another disturbance, which will give us a shot for some rain, maybe a little bit of thunder for Wednesday. Once that moves through, we will be pretty much done for a while. Nice upper level ridging will take hold here and keep us dry through the rest of next week, next weekend, and possibly much of the following week, the way it checks out right now. So let's put all this together in your 7-day forecast, and you can see that we will see that threat for the thunderstorms again, strongest and most widespread tomorrow evening, decreasing tomorrow night. Still quite a few clouds around with a slight chance of rain Sunday. Monday now looking dry, Tuesday looking dry, and then you can see that chance for the shower, maybe a little bit of thunder Wednesday. Doubt we'll see severe weather at this point. And then we dry out and remain below normal with highs in the 60s and low 70s. Lows will eventually retreat to the upper 30s to low 40s to end next week. This could be some of the coldest air that we experience in a while, as we will begin a warming trend as we go through next weekend and into the following week.